Hi, welcome to our channel. I'm Butch and this is
Pam.
Don't forget to share,
Like,
and subscribe. So, today, is September 30th, and our goal for today is to see the Calgary Library. Yes. You know what a library, love? What is a library?
Sabi niya sa gilid lang ng hotel natin.
Oh, library is where you can find lots and tons, huge volumes of books. Okay, basically that is the library, where you can find all kinds of books. And do you know, love, what our books are?
Galing natin sa library tayo pupunta yun.
Oh. Okay, books diyan po nakasulat, no? Ang ating mga history, ating pong mga natutunan. Sinulat ko yun sa libro at iba't ibang tao sa iba't ibang panahon. Okay, so ito po yung National Calgary Public Library. And yes, you know, mga library po ito sa US, Canada, and sa Europe. They are like museums, no? Magaganda po. Interior architecture like this one, see? Very nice architecture, no? So yung library ho nila para na rin siyang museum. And then yes, I love architecture. Okay? Because architecture is a showcase of a man's talents. Talents, you know what talents are? Means, love? Talents? Talents are a gift yan, galing kay Lord. They're always special. And yes, that comes naturally. Talent, no? You don't have to study that much. Of course, you have to make some enhancements. You know, hinihingal ako ron. That's old age, senior citizens age. Okay, hingalin. Okay, we're inside. Wow! Astonishing, magnificent, amazing, mesmerizing, and tantalizing architecture here. You see, huge space and vibrant feelings. Meaning there are vibrators here, vibrations. I can feel it. It's a library. So normally in library you will find different, of course, dwellings or spirits also, because they love to read. They have old books here where they can read, which is written long time ago. Okay, love, Library Express. Huh? There's a tour? Wow, there's a tour, 12 to 1. Okay, so let's make an own tour. Own tour, love. Oh, kita naman. Wala ba yung escalator dito? Let's go. Okay, so wooden floors. And okay. Okay, let's do this. What do we have here? Orange shirt day. It's orange shirt day. Okay. Because every child matters. Okay. National Day for Truth and Reconciliation. Okay. So, okay. Let's go, lab. Let's walk na. We don't have time to read all these books. It's very plenty. Masyadong maraming books. Let's just walk. And yes, let's see what's inside. Of course, we're looking for architecture here, interior, not necessarily books. Okay, because I hate books. That's the truth. Do you know why I hate books? Okay, because books, it's tiring to read. Tiring. I'm getting tired reading books. And then, okay, that's the children's library. You see lots and lots of small books for children. Okay, and then you find the second coffee shop here on the mezzanine or second floor. Okay, and then let's. Okay, I don't think there's something pisinda Okay, medyo mataas akyatan doon. Ha? Ano meron sa taas? Let's go, let's go. Let's go upstairs. Akyatan yan no? Let's check. Let's check. Sige. Baba kayo. Okay, be careful, because you might break your hymen. Yeah, you might break your hymen. Oh, that's enough. That's enough. Okay, if you break your hymen, you will lose your virginity. Sabi nila, diba? That's what they say. So be careful with your hymen, ha? Okay, let's go. Let's go upstairs. Wow. What do we have here? It's so nice, huh? Okay, it looks like this is huge children's library. Unbelievable, but they have a huge chess sets here. Okay, let's walk. Here you're gonna find a unique presentation of books. They're all in a low and yes, shallow bookshelves. Okay, let's continue. You know why I hate books? Because I'm no book lover. Yeah, because for me, time consuming yung book All you do is sit and do nothing. Ako medyo I say, akong tao yung active. Yes, active akong tao So pag active kang tao, mahilig ka ng mamasyal, mahilig ka ng umikot, mahilig ka ng gumimik. Of course, mahilig ka sa mga adventure. That's what unactive people do So of course, I do regret din naman not reading books. Because when you read books, you increase your knowledge. Yes, you got more ideas, and of course you get information. So that's something I need to do, But I guess that's late na, I'm getting old na rin So let's just walk na lang para ma-enjoy din natin yung ating remaining days, years, months of our lives. Yes. Okay. Kasi if you read, store lang sa head mo. Pa-process pa, diba? So, if you don't process it nicely, what's the use of reading books? You need to use it Okay? So, let's see what's here So, anong itsura ng kanilang public library? Okay? So nice. They have playground pa Oo. Grabe, taas pa pala rito, labo. Kaya tayo? Some floor pa? Let's go. So let's continue our walk and tour of the public library. What's that? Huh? Oh, that's interesting, This one? What's this? So they have a... what's this? I don't know. Okay, they have books here. Okay. Book CD. They also have book CD. Okay. So if you don't want to read, you can listen. That's the nice thing about the technology today, you know. Many of them are already in the CDs or electronic books. Yes, I like electronic books because sometimes you can turn it into a audio. Yes, audio. You know what audio means? Audio, that's something you hear from your ears. Okay, it's a long walk again. Another 2 floors remaining. Okay, 2 floors. So we have children's library here. Ay, may elevator pala, labo. Tara, mag-elevator tayo. Okay.
Wait lang.
Oh.
Kailangan ko lang
Ano? Okay, we're now on the 3rd floor of the Calgary National Library. Okay, what do we have here? Okay, another piles of books. Yes, puro libro pala rito, lab. Wellness test. Okay, what do we have here? It's a 3rd floor. They have conference room here also. Okay. They have reference law and social sciences, social interactions. Okay. So they have many books here. Really, promise. You will love, if you love books, you will love Calgary Public Library. Yes, they also have the New Covenant. Okay, let's see, let's walk. Okay, what do we have here? Huge tablet and screen. Library card number. Okay, so they have lots of computers here. Maybe if you want to do some network social interactions like Facebook, YouTube, or of course video calls. That's the place. Okay, so okay, almost the same. What's this? I mean, the music and movies na sila rito. CDs, oh. Yan, maganda lang, oh. Pwede mong hiramin to. Movies. Yeah.
Meron na isang floor na puro movies lang.
Oh, galing.
Tinignan ko sa baba.
Maganda pala rito. Sabi ka maiinip. Lahat ng movies dito mapapanood ko. Unbelievable, no? Nice library. Where you can find almost all movies available. Ang ganda, no? Saan ka pwede manood dito? Ha? Music and movies ang dami. They have huge collections. And yes, maybe you can bring it home and you can watch the movies in your home, of course. You cannot watch movies here, no? Kundi maraming manood dito, mga ubos ng TV, kuryente. So you can take it home. Yeah, that's Canada. Because they trust you here, eh. Even if you take home the movie. Ay, ano, pasok tayo rito. Wow. Here we can watch movies, eh. No? It's good. Movies nga yun. YouTube yun, eh. YouTube. Pwede ka mag-YouTube pala dito sa library. Ganda ng library nila, no? Ayan, no? They have nice libraries here. They have big screens, no? Where you can play your YouTube videos, movies. Okay, what's this? Devil's Banshee. Ha? Hall, okay. Ganda.
Mga bata
Okay.
naglalaro. Naglalaro.
Ano yun? Ay, let's watch nga. Tama. Ginagawa na rito mga bata. Okay, you can see here the children are playing. Okay, what's that? PSP? Yeah, you can play here. Oh. This library is mostly for children. Yeah. Okay, we are now entering the digital age. Yes, the digital commons. Okay. Nice audiovisual room. Okay.
Nila meron pang magtuturo. Parang may session siya, no?
Okay,
Pag
good.
hindi ka
Yeah.
marunong mag-computer. Yun din.
Yeah. Okay, almost the same sa taas eh, no? Let's go na, hindi na. Pareho na, kita mo. Let's go to the coffee shop, baka mo. Okay, let's try the pumpkin coffee. Okay, they have lots and goods. Lots of good pastries here at the Second Cup Cafe here in National Library of Calgary. Yes. Okay. There's my lovely by Pam. Okay, that's my hot fudge. Chocolate sundae. Banana split. Banana split sundae. Okay? I can have tissue paper. So that's it. A banana split sundae here in Calgary. Imagine, I can enjoy, no, sundaes here in Canada. Yes, thank you, Lord. It's a very beautiful, nice setup. Okay, hello, love. Here's my order now. See, my banana split sundae. Okay, that's it. Huh? I will try, no, the Canada's best banana split ice cream here in Calgary. Okay. Sarap, sarap. Yung chocolate na,
Sarap.
tumigas. Yes, the chocolate,
Ah?
it gets hard because it's cold.
Oh.
Yeah, and there's lots of nuts too.
Oh, I
Yeah.
like that too.
You will love Calgary, love. You will love Canada.
Yeah.
If you stay here, you will live here. If you live here, you will stay here. Okay? Good.
Okay, patikim nga ako.
Mm. Hello, love. Welcome to Calgary Public Library, where you can find big masterpieces of arts here in the wall. Yeah, in the wall. Yes. So it's a huge library, nice and modern design and architecture. And yes, I enjoy Calgary's library. Yes.